Hi sweets, how y'all doing today? So I literally walked over to this side of the airport just to get lighting so I could do an introduction, and I've literally never been to this side of the airport before. But anyways, as I just said, I'm at the airport, so this is gonna be a travel vlog. Who's I've been like, I feel like I've dropped a lot of travel vlogs this year. Have I? I don't know, not really. But anyways, I'm gonna be in Fort Lauderdale. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be in Florida. I'm gonna be in Florida, so this trip should be super fun and filled with excitement. So I really wanted to vlog and just take you guys along with me. You feels me? So I'm at the airport now. I think my flight is actually boarding now, so I need to rush this. And yeah, I'm at the airport now, and we're going to Florida. So let's go. So I'll see you in Florida. Bam! We in Florida. Let's go. Hi, friends. Hi, friends.
Hey guys. Hold on.
She's focused on driving. She's focused on driving. She's focused. So I don't feel like you guys have never met Shugsy. So hi, this is my friend Shugsy. And you guys know Shanna.
Bitch, all up in my face.
She doesn't like the camera. I don't know how this will work this weekend because you're gonna be in it, so you'll get used to it. All up in it.
All up in it.
So guys, we're headed to Sephora because today is the day that the Galaxy collection from Fenty Beauty drop, and me's a Friday Friday, so me a bite. So me a bite. So we're headed to Sephora. So let's go. Let's shop that Fenty Beauty. So we reached the mall.
Makes sense.
We're at shops at Pembroke Gardens. That sound fancy. Anyways, we walk into the Sephora because I told y'all already. It's Fenty Beauty.
Fancy.
She understands. Fenty Beauty, yeah. Galaxy collection. That's $59, you know. No. Like I stay here. Like I'm legit thinking, do I really need this palette?
Just a palette? Just one palette?
Just one palette, boo. I think it has like
You gonna make me pretty
10,
right?
12 colors and a wally. And it's all shimmers. What?
You gonna make me pretty tonight? You gonna make me pretty?
I can do that.
Hey guys, how are you?
I'm good, how are you? Oh, we can?
Pictures, no my love.
Okay, I just wanted to get that.
Can't take a picture.
Alright guys, so we went to Sephora and I wasn't allowed to record in there because I said some copyright things. I ain't never heard of that before. I've been seeing vlogs with people in Sephora, but you know, and I mean run things, so I ended up getting the Fenty Beauty palette and one of the lip glosses that I'm wearing now, but I kind of ate it off already. The palettes are so pretty. I did like little mini swatches and I fell in love with it because I was really wondering if like I really wanted it because it was like $59. I know man's not rich. See what I did there? Anyways, yeah, so I ended up getting the palette because the colors were just so pretty. So we went and got food and now we're in, what a place the name? Pink, Victoria's Secret, and I'm trying to get some, drawers. You see me? So I just keeping you guys up to date because I realize sometimes I'm really bad at vlogging. Like I'll think like I vlogged something but I didn't, and I'd go, oh I really should vlog this, but then I don't. So now I'm just walking around. Ooh, these are on sale. So we're exhausted. We've been walking around in the mall and everybody's just basically been watching me shop, and I've been forcing other people to buy things. Me. Gonna buy things. Right? So we're going to Spencer's. I don't know if I need to. I don't know if I need to start in the vlog. This is kind of like, you know. So we're going to Spencer's. And we're gonna look at sex toys because. So I'm gonna show you guys some. I mean, if you're not into that thing, you can just fast forward this part of the vlog. Hey! It might. Szechuan deep bean sauce. Oh, there's some normal things in here too. Oh my god. You definitely see that. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, look.
So much more people in here when I was here before. I'm kind of like...
All of a sudden you're subconscious.
Yeah.
Get it? How much is it?
Oh my god. Chantal, because some say it's married and not masturbated.
I thought that's why you were laughing, because you realized it said married and not masturbating. I thought that's why you were laughing. Neon nights. Okay. Okay. Well, that was an adventure. I thought they would have had more stuff, to be honest. Like,
No, they have more than the other one I've been to. Like they have a...
I thought they would have had more. I thought they would have had more convenient options, like with the batteries and.
Batteries was there.
Yeah, but like rechargeable ones, where I just charge it up, get going all day, not all day, but you know what I mean.
Oh, you're the man promoting it, right? What? He's like, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, that's my guy. I'm sure he has no idea who I am. So, what's the plan now?
Pierce my
nose. Okay, so Shukti's gonna pierce her nose for the third time.
Yeah.
The third time, and she's trying to convince me to get a piercing as well. But it's not gonna happen. Say hi. Shugs, say hi. It's piercing time. Piercing time. Love that, guys. Love that.
What did you say?
We sang all in unison in a harmony. Are you excited to have your nose pierced again? I remember when you took it out in Jamaica, you were so mad.
Couldn't go back.
Yes, you were like, can you put this in for me? I'm like, nah, go in.
Yeah, about that. I can pierce back this even though it was pierced before and it won't like...
You can pierce it. It's not gonna hurt anymore. It just... Nah, I wouldn't even say it's gonna put any problem because it's so like skinny anyways, like the skin. I would say if it's your belly button, it might be tougher, but it should.
You'll be fine. Nose piercings don't hurt.
No, you sound like Stacy.
They don't hurt.
Stacy,
It's like a...
I know, yeah, I just wrinkled.
You did it 3 times, so you should know. It's kind of anticlimactic when I did mine. Like I thought, I was like, I went with my stepmom. She's like, your nose, it's gonna feel like you ate wasabi and your face just opens up. And I'm like, that's terrible. That's terrible. And it happened.
The last time, like, Mommy, not coming in for Sephora. She's like, no. I'm like, are you serious? She's like, no.
When I came home, my dad was like, that's your one.
That happened earlier. This girl came for her like tragus pierced, and her friend, she's like, "You guys need to come watch." She's like, "I love this movie." Fuck it, go hang out on the couch. Mama, what size you want to do? Like you said, very important. Wash my mouth and everything. Wash my hands.
Trust me, I will.
Rati.
I swore.
I swore.
Were you recording all of
Yes, like I swore my life. He goes rotted. I'm like, oh. So the nose piercings are a specific tradition, come from the Indian tribe.
Okay, so I'm not gonna surprise you, nothing. I'm just gonna do that.
Shazam! I just want a nosy nose ring.
The video ended as soon as
It started.
as soon as it went in.
Fix your face. Smile.
Don't tell her to talk. Try not to.
Sorry.
She's got that needle right there. You know? Hey, Mama, beautiful.
Bam!
Oh my God. Woohoo.
Hello, my Indian mommy.
So I'm just gonna clean off a little bit of the purple marker.
So Shuxi just got her nose pierced, as you just saw, and now she's gonna get a tattoo. Talk about living in the moment.
Your people are gonna think I'm reckless.
That's alright. So she's getting Esteban. That's a nice name.
Like the same one? Can I just try one? Like the ring.
So she's getting a semicolon. Are you nervous? So you're nervous about piercing your nose, but not about a tattoo?
Yeah. I keep telling people.
Which is multiple jokes in your nose? I just think it's funny because I was on the tattoo the whole time, and as soon as you start make up your face, I catch it. It is all tatted and pierced out. So now we're at Walmart.
Gang shit.
This is the shit that I live for. Love white people. So anyways, yeah, we're getting some essentials. Well, not really. We need some stuff to get ready because we're going out tonight.
Yo, you have liquid eyeliner? Just for my
I have felt tip liner. I never bring the liquid.
You never bring it?
I never brought the liquid liner.
Yeah, I have it.
The level of panic you just experienced.
All of us
Oh shit!
liquid liner is essential. Liquid liner. That's what I say.
It is.
I'm not buying no more. We'll come in here for.
We'll come in here for glue.
Alright, so we can get. Wait, you know, say you want
Okay, the
eyelash?
beads should be somewhere around here. Ooh, sorry.
Yeah, it's over there.
So we're trying to pick up the stuff that we need for sure before we get lost in here and end up buying things that we never come in here for. And by we, I mean me. Because everybody else is over this. Oh, I didn't remember these.
No, I didn't remember either. Yo,
Alright, so I need to get insoles for gym. Hold on.
You have only tie in some tall.
I forgot my selfie stick. I didn't forget it. I put it in the bag. Alright guys, so after we left the piercing parlor, we went straight to the house to get ready and we were late.
naturally.
You understand?
Not my fault. You did early.
You were late, but we were later. So now we're here in Wynwood. So Shubsy never come, obviously, cause you don't see her here. She didn't want to come. But look who it is, guys!
Hey, I know you guys miss me, right? I'm here for you guys. I'm here.
Yes. So of course it could not be a FL vlog without
Yours truly.
the man himself. I don't know why I'm guessing you. So anyways, we're at Wynwood and we're just gonna go. We're gonna bar hop, I think. Just go a couple different places and have some fun. So if there's anything to record, I'll let you guys know. So this is where we're going. The place is called Shots. So we're gonna go in here and get some rum and vibe. I don't want it yet. sponsors used to have liquor. I don't know. But like we had a mojito and the Bahamian titty juice, and it basically tasted like juice. It was juice. But we're trying to find the next place because we're gonna drink some more alcohol. Pan chicken. Look, a pan chicken man. Where you from? Miami. What you know about pan chicken? What you know about pan chicken? I was hoping he was Caribbean because it would have been so nice, but alas, he was only American. So we're going to one more place and then we'll see what I'll go on before we call tonight because we gotta go to Tampa. That's my American accent, Tampa. Let's go to Tampa Bay tomorrow because we're going to Busch Gardens. You want one? Are you really hot?
I'm hot too, yeah.
Really?
I'm sweaty.
So this is the next and final stop that we're making tonight because we just wanted some alcohol. We ain't about all this walking up and down bar hopping shit. Jamaicans ain't used to that shit. So I just want to show you guys the line to get into this place. So this is the entrance and this is the line. But wait, there's more. Thank you for being a gentleman and moving out of the way. And this is where we are in the line. Womp. But we're gonna join the line regardless because this is the last spot and then we just take our asses home. So let's see if it was worth the wait. The line now move a little slow though. Guys, so it's the end of this night. As we got to the place, it was basically over, and then happy hours. It was last call for alcohol, music was shut off, da 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 da. So we kind of waited in that line for no reason at all. But tomorrow's gonna be a better day because we're going to Busch Gardens. So see you tomorrow. When you see me in the next second, it'll be tomorrow this second.